All right, ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin's got a cup and handle on the daily time frame. Weekend action has been pretty choppy, actually. So really not a lot to do until we do finally break out. I got a 71,455 alert for this guy. Welcome to Altcoin Buzz Trading. I'm Randy. Pretty much just going to talk about BTC today. I don't have any other coins really worthwhile mentioning right now. Over the weekend, we did have a bunch of potential signals, but a good amount of them failed. Bitcoin Cash was flashing a good signal, and that one's actually holding up. I know I got Bitcoin Cash up here somewhere, but um, nothing really going on right now that's really actionable. So maybe that'll change sometime this week. The market's still looking pretty good, and I'm not really too mad at BTC. We had some really, really low volume through the weekend here. So there's Good Friday, low volume there. Look at Saturday's volume, extraordinarily low. You may ask yourself, why does that matter? Um, well, low volume usually is indicative of lack of selling pressure, especially where this particular candle is sitting. This is within a small cup and handle base, and so you have the way a cup and handle works is you have an uptrend. You must have an uptrend to have a cup and handle. I do see a lot of people try to imply cup and handles at lows. Those are not actual cup and handles. They may call them cup and handles, but they are not cup and handles. Cup and handle has an uptrend, a prior uptrend, implying that the market is bidding it up. It's under accumulation. And then it comes down, usually in pretty good volume. The downside volume on the left side of a cup and handle can look like anything. There's really no hard and fast rules about what it needs to look like, but it's there. That causes the downtrend. And then you have a bottom, and then you start to curl up. Now, ideally, the right side of the space has good volume. Here we only have one good candle really getting us up at all, but that gets us up enough to form this handle. In the handle, what you have is a pause between buyers and sellers. Okay, a handle can be sideways, a handle can be downward trending, but the handle is a place of consolidation, a place where the uptrend is intact and we're waiting to break the high of the left side of the cup. And that's what's happening here. Really low volume in the handle, and really, really low volume on Saturday in the handle. So overall, I'm not really mad at what BTC is doing. It's just doing what it's doing and what it needs to do. It's going to move out when it wants to, but the 71,455 is my level there for that move up. After that, the high at 73,757, and we'll see where we go from there. A lot of people will try to juxtapose a measured move from the prior uptrend on a cup and handle. Some will try to take the height of the cup itself, just depending on what you want to do. If you take the leg up, you get to over 105. That'd be pretty cool. If you take the height of the cup itself, and honestly, I don't subscribe to either one of these. I just take it as it comes. You get to 90,000. So a lot of people have 90. I'm sure depending on who else you watch or see, you're going to see five different people, five different answers. I don't have an answer. All I have is market action and trend lines essentially. So that's what you're looking at there, 105 or 90 on those two potential measured moves. But those are all just potentials. If you have a big number in your head, you're either going to sell too early or sell too late. Um, and so I really do take an approach to this whole situation where I just go with the flow. I let the market do what it's going to do, and I try to make the best decision in the moment. And that's really, I think, the best way to take it. It's not comforting, it's not easy, and it's not supposed to be. So, all right, guys. Well, Bitcoin's looking good. We'll wait for some other alt signals. When we had some better signals, we had some yesterday, but those have, for the most part, been blown apart or already holding higher. So, none of those guys today. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Have a great day. I will see you tomorrow here on Altcoin Buzz Trading.